welcome back to Island Life Live and happy Aloha Friday. First Shakas and shout outs to Aloha Hula Supply for our beautiful lei. So fragrant, Ole.
Love them.
Yes, absolutely. Now, shakas and shout outs to Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Pu'ohala. They're having their annual fundraiser tomorrow. Go check out the Imi Pono concert and craft fair, guys.
Fun.
From 11 to 3 p.m. at Pu'ohala Elementary in Kaneohe. Now, they need your help to just kind of spiff up their classrooms whenever the DOE funding falls short. So they definitely need the kako'o this weekend.
Absolutely. In fact, they are expanding. You know, they started out as just elementary, and now they've expanded to the middle school, and now they have 10th graders. 10th graders will become 11th graders, will become 12th graders, and they will be the first graduating class.
Wow,
That is so awesome.
We actually had one of the students on yesterday. And
Yeah,
did she
Moani.
say how many classmates does she have?
Four.
Four.
Oh, four.
So cute, child.
That is so cute.
They're so humble.
All right, go check out the concert and craft fair this weekend. By the way, if you need more information, kitv.com/links and click on Imipono 2024.
And shakas and shout outs to the Kaua'i Fire Department, Fire Prevention Bureau, and the Kaua'i Red Cross. They are partnering to visit Garden Isle homes to install free smoke alarms. They're going to start in Kaumakani, which is one of the driest parts of the island. Yeah,
It sure
guys.
is. Westside Kauai, and dry and hot.
Yes. Now, this is happening on March 9th from 9 a.m. to noon. The smoke alarm installation is part of the Red Cross's Sound the Alarm campaign, and it's absolutely free to residents.
Wow.
Yeah. In fact, the plan is to eventually expand to other parts of the island, and I just think this is my ka'i. They're going to start here. I think this is in direct response also to what happened in Lahaina. So they're going to start with the driest part of the island and then get everybody involved when they can. I really think they should do this through the entire island chain.
That's my ka'i.
Yep.
So shakas and shout outs to them, guys.
My ka'i Kaua'i. Hey, shakas and shout outs to Nanakuli High School. Tonight is their Songfest 2024. It's happening this evening in the high school gym from 7 to 9. And get this, the theme is Na Mele o Ku'ukula Iwi, or Songs of My Beloved Homeland.
Chicken skin.
And tonight's concert is open for the public, and the proceeds will support the students and grade levels participating in the event. And you know, our niece Cookie, Ku'u's daughter, she's a senior song director tonight. Yeah,
Go Golden Hawks.
and she knows that you and I were song directors for Kamehameha School Song Contest, so she watched our videos to inspire her.
Yes.
Go Cookie and go
Sitting down and pushed
Golden
him back
Hawks.
into
I was song director too for the Wamanalo Back Road Banjo team. We was awesome.
Yeah, brother.
We had an audience of nobody. Anyway.
Yes. I would have thought so. Anyway.
All right.